Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new, welcome. My name is Lena. I'm doing videos related to luxury, lifestyle and travel. In today's video, I will do an in-depth review of my Louis Vuitton bag. And here it is. This is Louis Vuitton TREVI in size PM. It was made with damier ebene coated canvas. It has treated leather trimming in brown color. It has two handles and a detachable and adjustable strap. It has buckle on both sides so you can adjust it. I have it here on the longest, but it still looks short. It has 4 feet in the bottom. You can see here. And it has very shiny gold tone hardware. Let me show you a close-up tour. Look at this. It has a little scratches, very minor. You can see the scratches on the trimming and some scratches on the handle, very minor. The strap is very thick. It has Louis Vuitton Paris on the middle of the strap here. Let me unzip and show you the inside. It has beautiful red lining. Just one compartment, very spacious, with 2 slip pockets. It also has the D-ring so you can attach your key or your key pouch or anything. It has the date code inside the slip pocket here. I don't remember what side. I think it is this side. Yeah, you can see here it has the date code. It is SD2612, and it has Louis Vuitton Paris on here. This bag was made in USA. It has a stunning shape. This bag is 13.5 inches in length, 6 inches in depth, and 10 inches in height. It is in damier ebene coated canvas. That is first ever signature canvas from Louis Vuitton, and it was created in 1888 and it was relaunched in 1996. That is one of the facts from this fashion house, just to let you know. I purchased this bag in 2012, so it's been 8 years and I think it's still in excellent condition. No show of scratches on the canvas. Canvas is more durable than the leather. If you look on the corners here, you may see some scuffing on the treated leather trimming. Yes, but that is very minimal because this bag, I've been using it, not all the time, but for 8 years, this bag is considered very well made. Canvas definitely withstand the test of time. Very durable. This TREVI bag comes in 2 sizes, GM and PM. I got it in size PM because of my body frame, and I think this size is good for anybody because it is roomy and it can hold a lot of things. It holds almost all the essentials that I need to take with me for the day. You can use this bag for work, for travel, or for special occasions. You can dress it up, dress it down as a casual bag. It is very versatile. You can transform it from the day bag to a night bag. If you wear it on crook of your arm, it is very ladylike, very elegant. But if you want to have it onto the shoulder, you know, just as a shoulder bag, then it looks very casual for a shopping day. Also because of the material and the color, the canvas and the brown, it is absolutely carefree. I don't even have to worry about it. When I take it with me for traveling, I can even put it on the floor or on any surface because it is dark and it also has 4 feet on the bottom. It is a very carefree bag. You don't have to worry it getting scratched or patina or dirty, you know, from anywhere. This bag is also very secured with the zipper closure, so you don't have to worry about the stuff inside falling out. This bag needs very low maintenance. Very worth the price. Because of its versatility, I can take this bag out with me for a shopping day. At first, I usually wear it on crook up my arm or just handheld it, but after a long day, I usually carry it on my shoulder. There are always options from this bag. That's why I love it. However, this bag is a little heavy. I think because of the trimming, the handles, and the thick strap. Look at the hardware. Everything is thick. So I don't usually take a lot of stuff with me when I go out. So I think I'm okay with it. But if you fill it up because it has very large capacity, then the bag would be very heavy. You can take that as a consideration if you look into buying this bag. And also the strap. I wish it could be a little longer, so I could also use it as a crossbody bag. But this is the longest length that I could adjust it to. But I think Louis Vuitton made the strap for its purpose because of the trimming. You see how thick the trimming and the thick handles? It must come with a thick strap to balance out the bag. I don't think long and thick strap would look good with this type bag. This bag is very classic, very ladylike. Louis Vuitton don't usually make bags in damier ebene this feminine. It is like a dress. I love the shape of this bag. Now let me show you what would fit inside this bag. I have my full-size zippy wallet here. My mini pochette. My 6 key holder. I still have plenty of room for other things. Let's see if I can put my water bottle in. It definitely fits. And also, I have my key pouch hanging as a bag charm. How cute. With the treated leather handle, I don't need the trolley, but I want to decorate the bag with some color. Because it has the red lining, I have the red trolley. It is so cute. And I love that I could hang the key pouch here. I have my keys here, very matching. It actually fit the toiletry pouch inside 19 too. I have my hand sanitizer, my mask, and some gloves in here. It fits in perfectly. You can still put more things in here. I think this Trevi bag is a very stylish tote bag. Although it was discontinued in 2015, but you can still find it from pre-loved market. I purchased this bag back in 2012, and it was about, oh yeah, I have the price tag here. I still have the dust bag. I put the receipt somewhere I couldn't find. It must be somewhere in my house. But at that time, they put the sticker here. So I still see the price of this bag. It is TREVI PM Demi-Air. It was $2,140. So now I think you can find this TREVI bag from pre-loved market with a better price range. For me, this bag is one of my favorite bags, and it will definitely stay in my collection. It is a very sentimental piece, one of my first ever luxury handbag of my collection. So I love it, but sadly it doesn't hold its value. Let me put this back here so you can see it. Okay. Although big bags are not in trendies anymore, but fashion comes and go. So I'm more gravitated to mini bags nowadays. But I still want to have tote bags in my collection because I still need them for certain occasions, like traveling or for work or for the day out that I need everything with me. So this is one of the tote bags that I want to keep in my collection because it is still very classic and it holds a lot of memories. So I still want to have it in my collection. I hope you find this video interesting and helpful. If you did enjoy it, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell below to get notified every time I upload a new video, which will be every week. If you already did subscribe, thanks for being here. I love to have you join in my journey on YouTube here and also on Facebook and Instagram. I'm looking forward to see you in my next videos. Have a fabulous day and a beautiful life. Bye now.